Good morning, traders. The famous stock trader Jesse Livermore said something along these lines. There are days to go long, there are days to go short, and there are days to go fishing. So there's days to go long, there's days to go short, and there are days to go fishing. Well, today and tomorrow, if you consult your economic calendar, which my traders should be doing as part of their pre-market, pre-flight checklist, you will discover today and tomorrow are great days to go fishing. Okay, this yellow box that you see right here on the screen is exactly what's on my trading view chart on Zoom at this very moment. Today and tomorrow, check economic calendar. Just a reminder about the pre-flight checklist. Great days to not trade. NFP is tomorrow, non-farm payroll, or another way of saying it is not for professionals. If you're a professional trader, you should leave. These are the days they just crush and eat up retail traders. So this is great days to not trade. Seriously. Be careful. Trade small, if at all. In other words, I would not be trading a cash account today. I would not be trading a funded account today. I would not be trading multiple evaluation accounts today. I would be trading one evaluation account with the smallest leverage possible with a possible 10-point stop loss. Okay? So you have been warned. Trade small, if at all. If you finish the day with 0 trades, congratulations, you were the best trader today. I will be live on Zoom today and tomorrow, even though I recommend not trading, mainly for price reading, price action analysis, and you're welcome to be part of that if you're in my group. But I recommend don't trade or trade small, if at all. Be careful out there today, guys. Be careful out there today, ladies. Be careful, traders. Talk to you soon.